In this video, you'll learn how to bulk list items on eBay using a CSV file. This process allows you to efficiently upload multiple listings at once, saving you time and effort. By following these steps, you'll be able to create and manage your eBay inventory effectively. Start by accessing the eBay Seller Hub. Once you're in the Seller Hub, locate the option to download the bulk listing template. This template is specifically designed for bulk uploads and ensures that your data is formatted correctly. After downloading, open the CSV file using your preferred spreadsheet software. You can use programs like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. It is essential to fill in the product details accurately, including the title, price, and quantity. Make sure to follow the required format strictly to prevent any issues during the upload process. Next, validate your CSV file to check for any formatting errors. This step is crucial as it helps to ensure that your data complies with eBay's requirements. In your spreadsheet software, look for any discrepancies or formatting issues. Once you are confident that the file is correct, navigate to the eBay bulk upload tool. Upload your CSV file by selecting the appropriate option within the tool. After the upload, eBay will review your file and may display system error messages. If there are any issues, take note of these messages as they will guide you in correcting any mistakes before final submission. Once you have addressed any formatting errors and completed the necessary corrections, you can confirm the bulk listing upload. After processing, monitor your active listings to ensure that everything has been uploaded correctly. It is important to check for any missing information that may not have transferred properly during the upload. If you notice any discrepancies, adjust your listings accordingly. Additionally, keep track of your inventory records to maintain accurate stock levels and pricing. While uploading, consider the file size of your CSV. Larger files may take longer to upload depending on your internet speed. If you are working with a substantial number of listings, ensure your connection is stable to avoid interruptions. It is also beneficial to verify your available storage on eBay before proceeding with the upload, as there may be limits on how many listings you can have active at one time. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.